Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and trying on the products from the Trendmood Volume 2 box. I will share with you guys what exactly this box is. I'm going to go through and talk about each item that's in here, how much they cost, what the value of the box was, and then I'm going to try them on for you guys. So let's get into today's video. So for those of you who do not know, Trendmood was started by a woman named Sophie Schaub. She started out as a makeup artist in her late teens. Once she was in her early 20s, she moved to South America to study fashion. So she's been in the industry for a long time, and actually I read that while she was pregnant and she had a lot of downtime is when she decided to create Trendmood. I know for me personally, I follow Trendmood on Instagram. Trendmood is an Instagram page that provides information on all of the latest beauty drops that are coming out, skincare, anything in the beauty industry that is coming out into the market. She is typically the first one who releases that information through her Instagram page. She also has had the chance to collab with a few brands, and there is an item in this box that is a collab with Sigma. Overall, I think she's a pretty cool person, and I think it's incredible that she created her own brand and her own empire through Instagram. She's a very inspiring person. So she came up with the idea to start launching what is called the Trendmood box. This is volume 2, so there have been 2 boxes that she has released so far. They do come on a first come first serve basis. It's also kind of random. She doesn't have like a set day of the month that they launch. She said sometimes there could be 2 in one month. You don't know what the cost is going to be or how many items are going to be in the box until she presents that information to us on her Instagram page. It's not a mystery box per se, but it does have a wide variety of skincare and beauty items for you. Her first box had products from Natasha Denona, Bite Beauty, Ole Henriksen, LC Cosmetics, and In Beauty Project. Those are the 5 brands that were in her first box. Next right here, the volume 2 contains 5 items inside, and it retailed for $54. So as I go through and talk about all of the products that are inside, I will leave the prices on the screen, and then at the end we'll talk about the total value of the box. The first item I have here is from SkinFix. This is their Barrier Plus Lipid Boost 360 Eye Cream. I actually already own this. This was sent to me from Octoly, but here it is. I'll just show this to you guys. I'm probably going to include this in a future giveaway. So already you're starting out with a really great item here. SkinFix is a very well-known brand, and you can never have too many eye creams, so this is the first item that came in the box. Next is a collab that Sophie did with Sigma. This is the Sigma X Trendmood The Eye Trio Brush Set. I actually have already got the chance to use these. I filmed a video reviewing the eyeshadow palette that is in this box. And I did use the brushes. I just put them back in their plastic wrappers so you could see. Here we have the E35 tapered blending brush. Then in the middle there's the E30 pencil brush. And then over here on your right is the E25 blending brush. And look how cute the handle is. Sigma X Trendmood. Super cute. Another item that is inside is from Farsali. This is their liquid powder oil balancing serum, and it is infused with French pink clay. This is a brand new launch. It just launched a few days ago. And that is, I think, one of the coolest things about the Trendmood box. It's not going to include the same brands and products that you're seeing that come inside of like BoxyCharm and Ipsy. These are going to be new releases, new launches. Out of 5 products that came in this box, 4 of them are brand new releases. You kind of almost get to try products out on an influencer schedule before they even launch in stores, which I think is so cool. I actually got my box in the mail a few days ago. I'm just filming this review today. The Farsali Liquid Powder Serum. Next we have this Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser from Ren Clean Skincare. This is another brand new item that came in the box. Here it is. This is something I've been using for the past few days. And I will say this, I like it a lot, but if you're the type of person who likes a more foamy, sudsy type of cleanser, you're not going to like this at all. It barely suds up at all, but it does do a great job of removing my makeup. And so far, so good with this. I do like it. Last but not least, this is from Dominique Cosmetics. This is their Latte 2 palette. I did film a review of this palette alone. I will leave the link for that up above. This palette is absolutely gorgeous. It just launched Friday, I believe. And here is the colors that are inside. It is stunning. It performs very well. Now that I've showed you everything that's inside of the box, I'm going to create a look using these products. Except I guess I really won't be able to use the eye cream or the jelly cleanser. This is going to go in a giveaway, and I don't really need to wash my face at the moment, but I do like this cleanser, so those are my thoughts on it. Alright, so the directions for the Farsali powder serum are to shake the bottle well and apply over entire face or to oily areas. Massage into skin until fully absorbed. If excess powder, blend with fingertips. Use with or without makeup. So you can just use it as a skincare item just to kind of mattify your face for the day, or you can apply it under makeup. I'm just going to go like this and do 3 drops. I almost just put that in my coffee. I literally almost just dropped that into my coffee. And I'm just going to massage it into my T-zones because that's where I get oily. And it's interesting because it does, like, once you start blending it into the skin, it does leave, like, a powdery feeling to the skin. I'm just going to press it in. And you can see it definitely mattifies pretty well. So that's a very cool product. Let's see how makeup looks over top of it. So I will use a hydrating foundation with this just to be a little on the safe side. I feel as though if you were to use a matte foundation that it might be too matte and it might leave your skin looking cakey or dried out. So I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Pro Filter Foundation. I'm going to do a couple pumps. Also going to use the brand new Jouer Cosmetics High Coverage Concealer Pen. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would want me to do a review of this. It's actually really, really amazing. So as you guys can see, the concealer and foundation has been laid down. Now I will say, when I look up close at my skin in my mirror, it really does look airbrushed and fine-tuned. And you can definitely tell here I do have a little bit of oiliness, but my forehead and my chin are completely matte. So I really like the way that the Farsali primer primed my skin for this foundation, and I'm interested to see how it will wear throughout the day. So let me go in and just put a few of my powder products on, and then we will get into the rest of the look. Alright, so now we're going to dip into the palette using the Sigma Trendmood brushes. So I'm going to start out by applying this shade right here. This is called Café con Leche, and I'm going to apply that all over my crease. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade here. This is called Cafecito. It is a warm toned chocolatey brown. Very light hand. I'm going to use, this is another one of the Sigma Trendmood brushes. This is a taper blending brush. And I'm just going to apply that to the outer corner. Okay, so look how gorgeous those colors look together in my crease. They blend it out so smooth. And since I did use a couple of the brighter colors from this palette for the look that I created in my review for this palette, I'm just going to go in now and use this shimmer shade right here called Frappe. And I'm just going to place that on the inner corners of both of my eyes. Actually just going to use my finger for this process. Now I'll go in again with the pencil brush, and this time I'm going to lay a tiny bit of Cafecito under my eye. Just a tiny, tiny bit. And now I'm gonna go in with this blending brush and just blend that out. Make sure it doesn't look harsh. Alright, so super simple look, only using a few of the shades from this palette, but so far I really, really love this palette, and you can see that in the review that I did. I'm gonna put my Lumify drops in. For anyone wondering, I still use these. They come in handy. Since this box did not come with any lip products, I will just go ahead and use my Dose of Colors lip liner here. I'm just going to do something soft and nude. I'm going to go over top of that liner with the Jeffree Star gloss in the shade Diamond Juice. This is literally my favorite gloss I think I've ever purchased. It is so beyond gorgeous. I like to wear it alone. Actually, I also like to layer it over my Kylie gloss, and it just looks good over anything. It really does. It is so gorgeous. So let's take my hair out. And guys, this was a pretty quick look to create. Honestly, it only took me about 20 minutes. And I think it looks so good. I'm so happy with this month's Trendmood box. I'm excited to see what Volume 3 has in store. So I paid $54 for the box. I will leave the total value of the box right here. You guys can see it is an amazing deal. I love Trendmood box. I think, for me personally, I've just been following Trendmood for so long and keeping up with all of the latest launches and things of that nature. And she also gives you a behind the scene looks of launch parties and things like that. So when I heard she was launching her own, I can't call it a subscription box, but her own product box, I was over the moon. I ended up not getting the first one because the products inside really didn't interest me that much, but this Volume 2 literally sold out during the pre-order, and there was kind of a lot of drama about that. But anyway, I love this box so much. So thank you so much to Trendmood for creating this. I think it is an awesome idea, and I look forward to see what comes in the next box. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing and tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go. Leave me a comment, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.